Now by equating the imaginary parts, so we will consider j omega c1 r1 r2 which is associated with the operator. Second is a minus j r3 by omega c1. So on the right hand side there is no imaginary part, so 0 into j can be considered. Then j omega c1 r1 r2 r3 minus j r3 divided by omega c2. So now minus j r3 by omega c2 will be taken on the left hand side. So it will be in plus, then j r3 divided by omega c2 equal to j omega c1 r1 r2 r3 whole divide nothing. Then r3 upon omega c, j will be cancelled, omega is multiplied with omega, and c r2 by r3 is kept as it is. R3 by c2 equals to omega is multiplied over here, so omega is square c1 r1 r2 r3. Okay, omega is square c1 r1 r2 r3, and this whole term except the omega square will be taken at the denominator. So omega square is made subject, so r3 whole divided by c2 into c1 r1 r2 and r3. So r3 and r3 will be cancelled, so omega square equals to 1 whole divided by c1 into c2 r1 into r2. So this is omega square. So what is value of omega? Omega is considered as a 2 pi into f. So now 2 pi into f will be replaced by it, but after one step. We will omega equals to, square has been eliminated from this side, so this can be written omega. So whole term on the right hand side will come under the under root c1 into c2 r1 into r2. So omega equals to under root, means it can even be written as a 1 by under root c1 into c2 r1 into r2, because of under root of 1 will be 1. So now omega will be replaced by 2 pi f. So 2 pi f equals to 1 by under root c1 c2 r1 r2. Now 2 pi f, we will bring the 2 pi under the denominator. So frequency equals to 1 by 2 pi, 1 by 2 pi. Okay, then 1 by under root c1 c2 r1 r2 multiply 1 by under root c1 c2 r1 r2. So frequency equals to 1 by 2 pi 1 by under root c1 into c2 r1 into r2. So as we have already studied that r1 is equals to r2 equals to r, and c1 equals to c2 equals to c. So this r1 and r2 will be replaced by r, so it will be r square. c1 and c2 will be replaced by c, so it will be c square. So frequency f equals to 1 whole divided by 2 pi under root c1 and c2 equals to c. So this will be c into c, means c square. r1 equals to r2 equals to r. So r1 equals to r, r2 equals to r. So it can be written as r into r square. So now it will be simplified as a 1 by 2 pi c square r square. So under root will be eliminated, so c into r. So this is your equation for measurement of capacitance. Okay, a frequency equals to 1 by 2 pi c r. This is the value of equation by which we can measure. This is the value of frequency. This is the value of equation by which we can measure the value of frequency in the any of component or circuit. So by the with the help of Wien's bridge we can measure the frequency of any component. Thank you.